Okay, this is a drift assist system that I made. The car takes the corner very, very beautiful. This is not perfect, but this is what I get. What I get, I just press accelerate, and the car just adjusts the steering itself. It's very, very easy to control this car now. It's really very beautiful. Look at that. I can play this all day long. Wow. Okay. Try to flying. I want to show you the blueprint. Oh, first thing first, want to show you the railroad system. Edit what I edit. You just can screenshot it and just copy and paste. This is not perfect. You can tweak it, but this is what I'm doing last few weeks. Tweak a lot, everything. And this is the front wheel. Okay, I will show you the blueprint. So here's the blueprint. Okay. So what you see here, you need to focus on the steering input. Okay, the steering input have clamp floats and have apps floats, the multiply float, and get steering input here. Get steering input here and steering angle as a float. So you need to make new variables here and set it as float. Like that. And then the mesh here, you will get this when you drag and drop it like that. Okay, get right factor, get component velocity, normalize, set it 0 0, set it a dot, and voila. This how I made the get steering input. I get this information from here, Blue Jeans Gamers. That's forum under legend. So that's it. How I get. Oh yeah, I forget to tell you. The steering angle floats, you need to set it at steering angle like 1, 2, or 5. Let me show you what I mean. If I set it to 5, the steering assist will very, very aggressive. Look at that, very aggressive. We don't want that. Okay, we don't want that. So what we want is set it like 0 or 2.5 or 0.5 or 0.8. For me, 1 is very best. So that's compile and save everything. So that's it. Thank you.